What's up, guys? Back with part 2, the first annual 20 coin grading challenge. The first one here is all NGC coins. Number 11 is 1878 Morgan, one of the many different varieties of Morgans from 1878, different mints. It's the 7-tail feather reverse of 78. I have almost all of them. I think I'm still missing really nice Carson City from this year, and one other one that I still need. I think there was a 78 reverse of 79. I know there's a 79 reverse of 78, but I think there's a 78 reverse of 79, if I recall. Still missing that one. This one has pretty good detail on it. Just gonna get the lighting just a little bit better. Here we go. You see the 7-tail feathers. Folds on this one are really nice. This lighting is really tough on some of these slabs that have a little bit of scratches on them. It's a little bit better. Try to pick up on any marks or anything on it. So everybody can put in their guesses as far as the grades. You can put it either on video 1 or video 2. Little mark in front of her face there. Doesn't matter which video you put it on. And like I said, I'll leave it up for a few days, give everybody a chance to do the contest if they want. Hopefully, we can get more people to do it than just 25 or so subscribers I got. It would be nice to get, 30 or 40 people to do it. It would be kind of fun. There we go. So there's a 1862 halftime. And this one's in really nice shape. Pretty much see all the detail on it. Not a lot of luster on this coin really, but not a lot of wear either. I really like the halftime series too. I got quite a few of these. I got a couple proofs that I just picked up. These are such small coins; they're really hard to film. You can see you really want to look at the corn stalk and on the wheat and try to pick up on the details left on those for whenever you're trying to grade these. Number 13, and then we got a 82 3-cent nickel. As most of you know, they made these in silver and the nickel right after that. I think for a few years there they made them in both. In the 1870s they made some 3-cent trimes, or silver and nickels in the same years, if I remember right. For a few years they overlapped. It's a really well struck coin. Nice even color on it. Try to get some good look at the luster on it. Really cool design. There's not a lot of people that collect these. I'm one of a few. These aren't a main coin that I collect, but I do really like them, and you can find some really nice high-grade examples of these, and they're not super expensive considering their rarity compared to a lot of other coins. You could put together a nice collection of these without completely breaking the bank. I don't remember exactly which ones are the key dates on those, but moving on to an Indian head cent. This is another one of my favorite coin series. And that was a guy who probably liked pennies the least. Cents was probably my least favorite denomination when I started collecting. Partly because they don't contain any precious metal. No silver or gold, obviously, so maybe that was one of the reasons why I didn't really like them that much at first. And but some of the earlier ones, I mean, they're so cool. The Indian head cents and large cents. These are some of the prettiest coins that the U.S. Mint has ever made, especially when they have good color. I really ended up starting to like them a lot. And although I really don't like the Lincoln head cents, I just find it to be kind of a boring design. But you never know, that could change someday. One little carbon spot right here. That's pretty common on these. At least it's on the rim. It's in a good spot. Really good luster left on this coin. Not a lot of marks. Common date. It's an 07, but really nice. I think this is the last Morgan, if I recall. There might be one more. It's a 81S. Common day. I'm sure just about everybody owns one of these. Take a look at the reverse. Check out the luster. Luster looks really good on this coin. A little bit of chatter. In front of the face. The cheek. I think people will be surprised by some of the grades on some of these coins. Some of them can seem a little overgraded sometimes. Some of them can seem a little undergraded. I think we're gonna notice a bit of both in the results. Really pretty coin. Very few marks in the reverse. It's halfway through the second round. Move on now. Throw in a Roosevelt dime. We're gonna mix it up. This is probably Roosevelt dime. May be my least favorite U.S. Mint coin ever, really, for circulation. So finding one of these looks nice is not easy. This one has a nice color on the obverse and nice blues and greens. Real pretty coin. Slightly better date. It's another one you want to see whether or not it has full torch, full bands on the torch. Another designation you want to try to either get or not get. Oh, I guess there was one more. 1888S Morgan. key date. Tough coin in real high grades. Got some decent luster left on it. Mint mark. A little bit of toning, nothing special. Real nice natural look to it though. We tagged on the rust feathers a few times. Yeah, this one's pretty tough and real high grades. So, 7, 3 more. Got the second piece dollar. This one's kind of cool. This is a curved clip. Right there. Just a little one. Sometimes you can get the major curved clips, take a big old piece out of them. But that would be that's more of a minor clip. I don't know if it's considered an error or a defect. I think it's an error. This coin has some nice even wear on it. A little bit of luster left. Piece dollars are notoriously tough to grade. You can see the lettering up here. Hit there about around $1 and got been tagged a few times. Rays look pretty nice still. We got 2 left. Gotta have a couple more barbers. My favorite series, barber quarters especially. Here's a 15 Philadelphia. This one's in really nice shape. Yeah, I'm not really sure why the barber series has become one of my favorites. Crazy thing is, a lot of times, they're in high grades, they're worth more than the older coins and the seeded coins, or the can be worth more than even the cat bust coins in high grades. I mean, maybe not the dimes so much, but the quarters and the half dollars especially are really expensive. I mean, I finally picked up a Mint State one the other day. It was a 13D in Mint State 61, and it's almost a $500 coin. And that's not the most, it's a more common date. This coin has really nice luster left on it. Not a lot of marks. Okay, we got 1 minute left. Try to get this last one in. 16S, slightly better date. Barber dime. Take a look at the strike and luster on this guy real quick, and we'll wrap it up. So I think there's a few scratches on the holder. There we go. So anyways, yeah, put your guesses on video 1 or video 2, and I'll leave it up for 4 or 5 days and go through it and pick out a winner, and I'll probably give away, you know, one of these coins worth around 50 bucks to the winner. So put your guesses in, and I will repost the results in a few days.